Could you pass the secret Italian language test used by US military? Most people never get to try it, but today I'm bringing it to you. So in this video I'm going to show you a short mock version of the real test so you can take it and then see how quickly you can learn Italian even if you have never studied it before. The test isn't about how much Italian you know, but how fast you can learn it. You will face 5 challenges that test your ear, memory, logic and grammar, then finish with one super challenge where it all comes together. You will only have 10 seconds to answer. If you need more time, pause the video. Let's dive into the test. Challenge 1. Symbol to meaning recognition. You see a set of 4 photos with their made up names. A laptop, Toca, Deno. Red balloons, Leca, Sino. A black car, Rocco, Beno. A white car, Rocco, Neno. The question is, translate this image. A. Toca, Deno. B. Leca, Deno. C. Rocco, Sino. D. Rocco, Beno. The correct answer is C. Rocco, Sino. If Rocco shows up with cars and Sino with red things, your brain should pair them, just like a child hears apple and links it to what they are holding. Now, let's dive into challenge number 2. Sound pattern recognition will test how quickly your brain links sound and meaning without translation. So you hear Nica bulo sarin, Nica bulo torin, and you are told that sarin is la mela, the apple, torin, l'arancia, the orange. The question is, what does Nica bulo mean? A. Mangia. B. Mangiala. C. Tagliala. D. Bevila. The correct answer is B. Mangiala. Now, Nica bulo stays the same. The fruit changes, so it must mean eat the, just like in Italian, mangia la mela. Now, let's move on to one of the most overlooked parts of Italian fluency, rhythm and stress. Challenge number 3, stress and intonation memory. You hear doma le ru fale, doma le ru fale, doma le ru fale. The question is, which phrase has the stress on the second syllable in all 3 words? A. Number 1. B. Number 2. C. Number 3. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Doma le ru fale. That's second syllable stress across all 3. If your brain hears it and remembers it, your Italian improves, because if you mishear a word, you can't understand it. Think about ancora, meaning still, versus ancora, meaning anchor. Same spelling, different stress, completely different meaning. Now, next one, you will use logic to spot patterns, just like fluent speakers do. So, challenge number 4, grammar pattern recognition. The rules are plural nouns end in E, Italian E, English I. Adjectives follow the noun. The example is the following. Libro rosso, meaning red book. Libri rossi, meaning red books. The question is, how do you say in Italian green chairs? A. Verde sedie. B. Sedia verdi. C. Sedie verdi. D. Verdi sedia. The correct answer is C. Sedie verdi. The noun is plural and the adjective follows. That's the Italian way. Now, this challenge shows how fast your brain can pick up new grammar on the fly. Challenge number 5, invented rules recognition. The rules are add ta to make a verb future tense, add pod to make it negative. The example, mangio, I eat. Ta mangio, I will eat. Pod ta mangio, I will not eat. So the question is, what does pod ta parlo mean in Italian? A. Non parliamo. B. Non parlo. C. Non parlerò. D. Non bastato. The correct answer is C. Non parlerò. Parlo, I speak. Add ta, ta parlo, I will speak. Add pod, pod, ta parlo, I will not speak. Your brain just applied 2 rules at once like it does in conversation, so well done. But now, can your brain handle structure, memory and logic all at once? Final challenge. Challenge number 6, sentence construction. A rule recap. Plural nouns end in Italian I. Adjectives follow the noun. Ta meaning future, non meaning negative sentence. This is a word bank. Gatto, cat, mangia, eats, verde, green. The question is, how do you say the green cat will not eat? A. Non ta mangia il gatto verde. B. Non ta mangia i gatti verdi. C. Non mangia il gatto verde. D. Il gatto verde non ta mangia. The correct answer is D. Il gatto verde non ta mangia. The subject is singular, il gatto verde, and the verb matches. Natural Italian word order, subject first, then verb. That's it, you just completed the compressed version of one of the hardest language screening tests in the world. If your brain started catching patterns midway through, that means you are not just learning about Italian, you are learning to think in it. Want to learn Italian fast like the US Army does it in under 36 weeks? Then watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!